The fire's impact on history. Eke a time, long ago, when the world was wild and tame, there lived a curious man named Kel. One day, Kel stumbled upon a lightning-struck tree ablaze. Hungry and tired, he wondered if he could use this fire to cook his food. Kel picked up a charred stick, skewered a piece of meat, and held it over the flames. As the meat sizzled, Kel's eyes widened. The fire transformed the tough fibers into something tender and delicious. He took a cautious bite, and the flavors exploded in his mouth. It was a revelation. Word spread through the tribe. Kel became a hero, the man who tamed fire. Others followed suit, experimenting with different foods. Cooking became an art, a communal activity around the hearth. The tribe gathered, sharing stories and laughter as their meal simmered in the fire's embrace.